Hey guys, it's Lisa from the blog farmhousehomeboone.com, where I like to share food from scratch, natural living, and our handmade home. And somewhat recently, I shared a video where I showed you guys what we eat in a week for dinner. And I had requests for more, so I decided that this time I'm going to do a breakfast edition. Now, this is all going back to my post on how to have healthy meals every night without meal planning. So if you haven't visited that video, I'm gonna link it in the description below so you can see it, because this is me winging it. I had no plan before doing this video series. It is just what we actually eat for breakfast in a week. Now, you're probably gonna think we're pretty boring, and the truth is, for breakfast we are. I just kind of keep it really, really simple and make the same things over and over again. I might swap out some different fruits or maybe add some different veggies into the eggs, but for the most part, it's kind of the same thing over and over again. The first morning, I started by straining off some milk kefir. I just poured it in the blender, added some tropical frozen fruit blend and some frozen bananas. We actually buy our bananas in bulk and freeze them for smoothies. I just poured it in my mason jar, topped them with the special mason jar lids. I'll link them in the description below, but we just love those for serving the kids smoothies. And then just served it up with some fried turkey eggs. Now, that very same day, I went ahead and soaked some oatmeal overnight in 1.5 cups of kefir. Now, this is just to neutralize the phytic acid present in whole grains. I just let that sit out overnight, and then the next day I added a couple of eggs and honey and coconut oil and some sweet potatoes, and I baked it in my cast iron skillet. And served it up with some butter and honey. I will leave the link in the description below for that recipe. It's not on my blog, but I will leave where I found it. The third day we had what my kids call chocolata. It is raw milk, frozen bananas, cocoa powder, and honey, and serve that alongside some fried eggs. I made myself a different smoothie with kefir, frozen strawberries, and then some of my greens powder. Day 4 was a repeat of day 1, just more smoothies and eggs. The next day we had some plain yogurt with raw honey and some homemade granola. That was actually a recipe I made for my book coming out soon. On Saturdays, we always have sourdough pancakes because my father-in-law comes over for breakfast every Saturday morning. Sunday, we're always in a big hurry to get to church, so we had leftover pancakes with some fried eggs. And sorry, I did not take this video until everybody had pretty much picked through it. It was a busy Sunday morning. All right, well, thank you so much for watching that video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Stop by the blog, farmhousehomeboone.com. I will leave the link in the description box below, but I have a free ebook on our 5 favorite kefir smoothie recipes. So I have some fun, different kind of recipes if you are in a recipe mood for making kefir smoothies, or if you're just brand new to kefir and you don't even know how to use it. That ebook is free, and you can grab your copy below. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to make more videos like this. I can break out my camera during meal times and get some more footage kind of showing you guys what it is we eat. I think after several videos you might just say that we're pretty boring, but we'll see. I'll probably do a summer edition coming up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living, and a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.